Hello. In this video, I'm going to run through how to check and change the user ownership and permissions of the folders under Atom installation directory if the Atom is started with root user unknowingly. Please note you need root privileges to perform this action. Um, Please log in into the server where you're facing this issue with the node by providing the IP address or host name and the credentials. Once you're logged in, please navigate to the Atom installation directory and run these commands. ls hyphen to check the ownership of the folders. Here, I have installed the Atom with root user. If you use Boomi or any other user while installing the Atom, you will see Boomi or other user as the owner of these files and directory. Moving forward, check all the folders under the Atom installation directory and make sure all the files and folders are with the same user you have used to install the Atom. If unknowingly it was started by the Boomi Atom as the root user, and when trying to restart or start again subsequently with Boomi user, it will ideally fail to restart because the files were created or updated, got changed to root permission, and cannot be overwritten by the Boomi user, which is why the Atom does not get started. In such cases, you need to change permission back to the Boomi user with the below command as shown here. Note you have to use the user used to install the Atom. Step 3, once you have ownership of the files and directories are changed, please verify them and then try to start the Atom with the below command by navigating to the bin directory under the Atom installation folder directory, Atom space start. And that's all you have to do to change the ownership of the files and directories under the Atom installation directory if Linux Atom is started with the root user unknowingly. Thank you for watching.